Good morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all, children? Fine? Fine. So, children, we are learning chapter fractions. Okay. So, Ameya, can you tell me what is a fraction? Part of a whole. Okay. Fraction is a part of a whole. Okay. Then equivalent fractions, Diya.
Fractions that denote same part of.
Yes, Diya.
Fractions that denote the same part of a whole.
Very good. Fractions that denote the same part of the whole, that is known as equivalent. Okay.
Fraction.
Now 8.2 we learned like fractions, unlike fractions, unit fraction. Okay. Ayil, can you tell me what is like fractions?
It is the same denominator.
Okay. Fraction with the same denominator. Okay, Arfan, unlike fractions?
Different denominator.
Different denominators. Very good. Okay. Yes, Sapna? Unit fraction?
One, the numerator.
Numerator is 1. Okay, numerator is 1. Then we can say they are unit fraction. Okay, so children now listen carefully. Numerator with 1. Okay, so you children, we know
Good morning,
like
ma'am.
fractions means, yes, good morning. So children, what we had to do? Like fraction, remember all these, we have just revised what we have learned. So those who joined, we were just revising the definitions again. Like fractions, what is like fractions? Fractions with the same denominator. Denominator means the number below, same denominator, that is like fractions. Different denominators, that is unlike, and the numerator is equal to 1, that is unit fraction. Now today we are going to study again about like fractions, how to compare. Compare means we have to know which fraction is greater, less than, or are they equal. Okay, so you know less than, greater than with the normal numbers. Yes, 1, 2, 3. You know 2 is less than 3. 3 is less than 5, like that. So we are going to learn today compare fractions with the same denominator. Okay, so children, please look at the board. Going to show you one picture now here. Okay, here, Nihal, can you say which is this fractions, Nihal? Can you see the board, Nihal? Yes? Not able to hear. Abel?
Yes, ma'am.
Which two fractions you can see on the board?
1 by 4 and 3 by 4.
Okay, 1 by 4 and 3 by 4. Can you tell me which type of fractions are they? Look at the denominators. Here the denominator is 4. Here also 4.
Like fractions.
Like fractions, very good. So children, we are going to, like fractions, we are going to compare. Compare like fractions. Compare means what? We want to know whether it is less than,
Or
greater, or they are equal. So like fractions, here it is 1 by 4, 3 by 4. Now, Adidev, look at the picture and tell me. Here we have 1 by 4, this much part. Okay. Here we have, yes, one more. Here we have 3 by 4.
Yes.
1 by 4, 3 by 4. Look at the
3 by
picture
4.
and tell me which fraction is bigger.
Same.
Look at the picture, it's shaded. Here it's shaded only this much.
1 by 4.
1 by 4 is only this much portion. 1 by 4. And here we have 3 by 4. Suppose this is a pizza I made into 4 parts. Here you are getting this much part, 1 part only. Here you are getting this much portion. Okay, so this is 3 by 4. And tell me which fraction is bigger? Yes, where is Adidev?
Ma'am,
Ah,
1/4.
what happened here? Where is it? Okay. Yes, Arfan. What do you think, Arfan?
1/4.
Huh? Can you see the
3 by
picture?
4. 3 by 4.
3 by 4. Yes.
Ma'am, which is
3 by
smaller?
4 means this
Smaller,
this
like,
much
ma'am,
part.
smaller
This
or greater?
I was asking which fraction is bigger.
3/4.
3 by 4. Okay, so children, we will write here 3 by 4 is greater. So children, all of you listen again here. One part we are taking. So this numerator, that is the part taken. So here, this is one part. Here we have this much big portion, 3 by 4. So looking at the picture, that is, it's clear, children, this 3 by 4 is greater. So children, if there is no picture, how we will compare, that we are going to learn now. Look at here. Here the denominators are same. Which is the denominator?
4.
4. Now, if the denominators are same, children, what we will do? We will look at the numerator. Here 1, here 3. Which number is bigger? 1 or 3? 3. So children, if the denominators are same, we will look at the numerator. Here 1, here it is 3. So this 3 is greater. Okay. So if there is no picture, then also we can find out easily which fraction is greater, which fraction is lesser. Okay. So what you have to do? Look at the denominators. If the denominators are same, only we are learning now. We can learn after. We can learn. Please mute your audio, all of you. So after maybe this year or next year, you will learn more about unlike fractions also. So here we are. This chapter we are learning only with the same denominator. Same denominator. What is it that? Like fraction. So if the denominators are same, what we will do? We will look only the numerator. If that numerator is greater, that fraction is greater. Okay. So children, look here again. 1 by 4. Here 1 by 4 is 1 is smaller than 3. So we can see 3 is greater. That is mouth opened. Okay. If they look at the picture, that is clear. This is very small part. Here we are getting this much big piece. So even without figure, children, look at the board. Here if I am writing 1 by 9, 5 by 9. So here the denominators are same. If no need to write anything now, Dia. Okay. Please look at the board. I will give you time to write. Here, children, what we will do? If the denominators are same, we are not drawing any picture. All of you listen on the board. Look here. Don't write anything. Don't take any book. All of you, Sanahin. So children, what we will do? We will look if the denominators are same. We will check the numerator. Here 1, here 5. So this 5 is greater means we will write 1 by 9 is less than 5 by 9. Understood? If the denominators are same, we will look only the numerator. If the numerator is big, that fraction is greater, mouth open to that. Okay, children? Very easy one. Yes, is that clear? All of you please take out a rough book. I will give you 3 questions. Let me see who is going to do it correctly. Those who have listened properly, it's very easy. Okay, fast. Take out your rough book quickly. Okay, here 3 by 4, 1 by 4. You have to compare. Compare means these all are like fractions. You look here 4, here also 4. Compare. Less than, greater or equal. You have to write here. This is question number 1. Question number 2. 1 by 7, 4 by 7. Question number 2. Question number 3. 1 by 6, 1 by 6. You have to check whether they are less than, greater or equal to. We have 3 questions. Okay, Leia, can you please? Children, please check whether your answer is correct or wrong. Okay. Leia is going to help us. Yes, 3 by 4 and 1 by 4. Yes, Leia?
3 by 4 is bigger, ma'am.
Yes, 3 by 4 is greater. Okay, so children, if your answer, check whether it is correct or wrong. Yes, Gauri Nanda. Next one, Gauri Nanda. PS. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
1 by 7, 4 by 7. Which is the answer? What's the answer?
4 by 7.
4 by 7 is greater. So what we will write? 1 by 7 less than. Okay. Jaswin, what about question number 3? 1 by 6, 1 by 6. Jaswin. Not audible. Yes, Varada. 1 by 6, 1 by 6. They are equal. Here they are equal. Okay. Here, children, here we have the denominators. All the denominators are same in all the 3 questions. Here it is 4 and 4. So we will check 3 or 1. Which is greater? 3 is greater. So we will keep here greater than symbol. Here, children, we know these fractions are denominator is same like fraction. So we will check 1 or 4. 1 or 4. So which is less? 1 is less than. Next one here, both the denominators are same. So they are equal. So children, I hope it's clear. How many got correct answer?
Ma'am.
Yes. Very good. Okay. Very good, children. Please take out your workbook now. Page number 10. Page number 10. Page number 10. I told you last class to write down the fraction and we will check whether it is like fraction today. So this was question number 15 was homework. I told you write A, B, C and D. Fraction not shaded. So fraction for A, that is how many not shaded divided by the total parts. Page number 10. Page number 10, question number 15. Okay, Ayil, can you say the answer of, I think we have written already in the last class. Now we have to identify A, B, C, D, which all are like fraction. Yes.
Ma'am, number of parts not shaded.
Number of parts shaded is not shaded. Okay, not shaded is 1. Total number is 4. Okay, we have written all the steps in the last class. Now I want the fraction. How many not shaded? 1 by 4. The fraction only we are writing now. 1 by 4. Okay, fraction for not shaded. Yes, Amaya, question number B. Amaya. Fraction not shaded. Question number B.
Not shaded.
Say it fast.
3.
3. Tell me the fraction 3 by. Total, how many parts? Ameya, this much time is needed. Okay, Rohit, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the fraction for B.
3 by 8.
Okay, 3 by 8. What about question number C?
1 by 4.
1 by 4. And this D, children, this
2
was
by 6. 2 by 6. 2 by 6.
Okay, children. This much I think we have done in the last class. Now, from
Ma'am,
here we have to identify which all are like fractions. Yes, Rohit, can you identify?
Ma'am, A and C.
Very
and
good. A and C. A and C. Look here, children. Which have same denominator here? 1 by 4. Here also 1 by 4. So A and C are like fractions. So we will write that
Ma'am.
last step. Children, you
Ma'am,
can
this
write
is-
the
This is even fraction also.
but the question is only to identify which all are like fractions. So you children, you can write the last step. A and C. A and C are like fractions. Children, this you have to write now. In the last class, we have discussed only the fractions. Now, to identify the fractions, I told you to do, we will do that today. Here, 4 is the denominator here. Here also 4. So, 1 by 4. And so, this is A, this is C. A and C are like fractions. Like fractions. Here we have only 2 like fractions. What are they? A and C. Yes, children, I hope you all have completed.
Yes, ma'am.
15, I told you to do as homework. Only thing we had to write this step today. A and C are like fractions. So those, if anyone was not able to attend the last class, we will send the notes in the WhatsApp. Okay. Now,
You said already.
okay. Isra, next question. Question number 16. Read.
Yes, ma'am. Find the fraction of the parts shaded in these figures.
Yes.
Which of them represent like fractions?
Like fraction. So, children, question number 15, we have to do fraction for not shaded, unshaded. This question, what we have to do? Fraction for? Fraction
Shaded.
for? Shaded.
Shaded.
Shaded. Okay. So, we will write together. Okay. Fraction for shaded, we have to write here. Question number 16. So, what's the first step? Shaded parts. Question number 16A. Shaded part. Children, you can write all these in one line. Shaded part. How many shaded parts we have? Henry. Henry, question number A. 16A. Look at the question and tell me how many parts shaded?
3.
3 parts. Very good. And what about the total number of parts?
1.
Total.
4.
4. Yes, very good. Now you have to tell me the fraction for this.
3 by 4.
3 by 4. Very good. So children, all these steps you can write in the one line because we have to write A, B, C and D. So all these 3 steps we can write in one line. Children, like this, you have to write all the questions. That is B, C and D. Write alone. Find out, write down the shaded parts. How many parts shaded? Second step, what you will write? Total number of parts. Third step, you have to find out the fraction for shaded. Is that clear? Sanahin, finish writing. Question number 16.
Ma'am.
You can write finished? Yes or no? Show me your thumbs up. Yes or no? Yes, Sanahin.
Yes, ma'am.
Finished?
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am. Ma'am, we can write this in one line.
You can write this in one line. Okay, so children, from here, I am writing only the fraction. You can write these all 3 in shaded part, total number of parts, fraction. So finally, we have to identify which all are like fractions. Okay, Anupama, can you say the fraction for shaded question number B? Anupama. Unmute. Children, please turn on your camera. I cannot see all the children's. Dia, can you say the answer? Question number B, fraction for shaded.
I'm finished.
Ma'am,
Ah.
fraction for B is 3/5.
3/5. Very good. 3/5. Okay. Adideva, fraction for C. Fraction for question number C. Shaded part. Fraction for shaded. Yes?
Ma'am,
Ah,
5/8.
5/8. Yes. 5 parts shaded, 8 parts total. Okay. Next one, Henry. Fraction for D, Henry.
D. Shaded part 2.
Shaded part how many?
1.
1. 1 by?
1 by
Total number of parts
8.
count? 8. Very good. 1 by
1 by
8.
8.
Okay, very good. Now, Sapna has to tell me which all are like fractions from here. You know, like fraction means same denominator. Same denominator. Tell me A, B, C, D, which all are like fractions?
A and B.
Huh? Like
A and B.
fractions. Yes,
A
I'll.
and B. A and B.
I'll.
C and D. Ma'am. A and B, C and D. Ma'am.
Yes, I'll.
Ma'am.
Can you unmute?
A and B.
You know, like fractions means what? Yes, I'll. Which all are like fractions here? We have 2 like fractions.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
I cannot hear. I'll, did you say something?
A. Ma'am.
Yes, Isra.
Ma'am, can I?
Wait.
Ma'am, C and D.
C and D, very good. Children, look here. C and D. Why? Here the denominator is same. Some children, they are looking at the numerator. That is the problem. Okay. Here, children, which is the denominator here? 8. Here also 8. Some children looking at 3 and 3. We are not looking at the numerator. Okay, we have to look at the denominator. So which are the?
Ma'am, can I do?
So which are the answers? You can write C and D. All of you write C and D. All of you has to write at the last step here. C and D are like fractions. So we can write here. So C and D are like fractions because we have 5/8, 1/8, same denominator. C and D, because the denominators are same. That's why these figures represents a like fractions.
8.
5/8, 1/8. C and D, they are like fractions. Yes, Ail, can you tell me why C and D are like fractions?
Because it is same denominator.
Same denominator. Okay. Before it was getting confusion, you were looking at the numerator, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to look the denominator. 3/4, here 3/5. 4 and 5, they are different. So children, I hope it's clear. Now we are going to do question number 17. I will send the notes in the WhatsApp. Varada, question number 17.
Amit ran 3/4 and Sunil ran 2 by 4 of the same distance.
Okay.
Who cover more distance?
Who covered more distance? 3 by 4, 2 by 4. If the fractions are like fractions, how you can compare, Varada? Tell me, 3 by 4 or 2 by 4?
3 by 4.
3 by 4. Very good. 3 by 4 is greater. Why? Because we have the denominator same. We have to look at the numerator. 3 or 2. Which is bigger? 3.
3.
So 3 by 4. So who ran more distance?
Amit.
Who ran more distance?
Amit.
Amit. Okay, children. Amit ran more distance. So you have to write the steps. Can you write it faster? Question number 17. First one, the Amit ran the distance in the, it is in the form of fraction, it is given. So we can write fraction of the distance. Fraction of the distance run by Amit. Fraction of the distance. Fraction of the distance run by Amit. Run by Amit. How much it is? 3 by 4. So children, write the same sentence again with for Sunil. Fraction of the distance run by Sunil. Fraction of the distance. Fraction of the distance run by Sunil. Sunil, that is 2 by 4. So it is clear 3 is greater than 2. So we can write 3 by 4 is greater than 2 by 4. So the last step we can write, so Amit covered more distance. So Amit covered more distance. More distance. So children, here the denominators are same. So we are checking 3 or 2. Which is bigger? That fraction is bigger. Okay. 3 by 4 is greater than 2 by 4. Understood? So fraction of the distance covered by Amit. That is 3 by 4. Next step, we had to write fraction of the distance run by Sunil. It is Sunil. That is 2 by 4. So when we compare the numerator, 3 is greater. So 3 by 4 is greater than 2 by 4. So what we can write as the last step? So Amit covered more distance. We can write more distance than Sunil. Okay, children? Is that clear? Yes.
Ma'am, can I show again?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I show again?
I will send the notes. Okay. The time is going to finish. Children, this much time is, I think that much is enough. So here fraction of the distance run by Amit. Same sentence we can write fraction of the distance run by Sunil. So 3 by 4 is greater than 2 by 4. So we can easily find out Amit covered more distance. Okay, children, don't worry. I will send the notes through WhatsApp. Now it's the time to wind up the session. Okay, children, bye. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.